One thing I want to point out when you're putting these into it to make your initial frame here, you do need to loosen these first. So let's see, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we gotta loosen that up, and so we can get that pull completely snug in there. I have the two square pieces, but I want to kind of go over something that was a little bit tricky for me. So we have these three, I guess, tripod. You're gonna have two of those on each end, so both these pieces are mirroring, and this is just the two piece, so we have that on each end. So you want to untighten all of these first, put all the pieces together, and don't tighten these until you get it all together, because it's just, it doesn't fit quite together. So once you get all of them into place, then you go back and do your righty-tighty there, and then you're got those ends complete.